Welcome. Today we're going to talk about the buzz cut hairstyle. If you're considering this cut or looking to try a new style, you're in the right place. I'll be sharing some tips and advice on this topic. Let's dive in. Why choose a buzz cut? Firstly, it's important to understand why you're considering a buzz cut. There can be different reasons for choosing this style. Maybe you're looking for a practical style, or perhaps you want to try out a new look. Whatever the reason, we'll discuss what to consider when making this decision. Before transitioning to a buzz cut, there are some preparations you need to make. It's important to think about how short you want your hair to be and what style you prefer. You may also need to consult with a barber to determine the right length. Learn what to expect before getting this cut. There are various styles of buzz cuts to consider. Maybe you want a completely shaved head, or perhaps you prefer a slightly longer style. Try out a few different options to determine which style suits you best and complements your look. Finally, after getting a buzz cut, don't forget about maintenance. It's important to use sunscreen and moisturize your scalp. Also, you may not be completely satisfied with the cut at first, and that's perfectly normal. Be patient and enjoy your new style. That's it. I hope this video has been helpful for those considering a buzz cut. Trying out a new style can be exciting, so use haircuts as a way to express yourself. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed it. See you in the next video.